Hey everyone, it's Rob from Hypop and welcome back to another video. In this one, we're taking a closer look at how to use and install the brand new freestanding adapters for the EASIFRAME curved cyclorama backdrop system. So today we're actually looking at a brand new item here, which is the freestanding adapter for the EASIFRAME curved kit. You can see here it comes in two pieces, and it's basically a junior receiver that can go directly onto a 5/8" quarter spigot here. Just mounts directly on top there, and that will allow the back frame of the EASIFRAME Curve to mount directly onto the stand. So the freestanding adapter comes in a pair just like this. And there's also a QR code here that you can scan with a mobile device to find the instructions on how to set this all up. So you just need to ensure that you have a stand that can extend as high as 2145 mil or 2.15 meters approximately. This stand here can go to 2.6 meters, so just make sure you have one available. So what you can see now is that we have the EASIFRAME curved away from the wall and positioned kind of in the middle here, along with the two stands and the adapters, and now it's completely freestanding. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this. Hit the notification bell to be updated of any new content we release. Leave a like on the video if it's helped you. Feel free to leave down in the comments section below your thoughts, or if you have any questions about the freestanding adapter for the EASIFRAME backdrop. Follow us on socials, the links are down below, and visit our website, hypop.com.au.